Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create Steam account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. So Steam is most commonly refers to Valve digital gaming platform, a huge online store and community for PC, Mac, and Linux gamers to buy, download, play, and discuss games with features like cloud saves and updates. However, Steam also describes the GSO state of water created when liquid water turns to vapor like from a boiling kettle. So what if you want to create a Steam account? Is very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Steam in here. In here, if you already have account, you can sign in, but because we want to create a new account, you can select on create free account. And here you can enter your email address, your active email address to register new account on Steam. You can confirm your email address. You can enter it, your email address in here. And also after that, you can enter your country of residence. If you're from Greenland, Greece, you can select on that. We'll just choose in Indonesia. My country, you can agree the age agreement. After that, you can select on continue. You can check your email that Steam sent to you to confirm, to complete your account setup. So in here, I will open my email from my phone and confirm the setup, to complete the setup to create a Steam account. After that, after you receive the email and you confirm the verification, you can continue the sign up to create your Steam account. It's still verifying like this. Now you can create your Steam account name and you can create your password on Steam. You can just sign in with the email and the password that you just create. Or you can sign in with QR code. Like this. You can enter the code that Steam sent to you. And logging in, we can wait, and here you go. Here's your Steam account. You can start download or play game free or buy game from Steam. And here, it's very simple, right? So that is how to create Steam account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.